Style, 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 style.
Welcome. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how a simple inventory system works using PHP, MySQL, and SAMP. This system allows users to manage product data, adding, viewing, updating, and deleting records. Let's explore each part step by step.
The system runs on a local server using SAMP. We start by launching Apache and MySQL. Then using phpMyAdmin, we create a database called inventory underscore DB. Inside this database, there's a table, table called products, which stores the inventory information such as product name, quantity, and price. Next, we create a folder called inventory underscore system. Inside the htdocs directory, this folder contains all our PHP files. Index.php, the main interface, add underscore product.php handles adding products, view underscore products.php display the list of products, update underscore product.php updates existing products, and delete underscore product.php deletes products by ID.
Before we dive into the actual code, it's important to understand what's powering our system. We're using SAMP, which includes Apache to run local server and MySQL as our database. PHPMyAdmin gives us a simple way to manage that database through a browser. All of these tools work together to help us build and run the inventory system smoothly on our computer. The tool we used called SAMP, it's a free and open source platform that bundles together three key technologies. Apache, this acts as the local server. It allows us to host and run our PHP-based inventory system on our own computer without needing internet or an external server.
MySQL. This is the database system where all our product data is stored. It works with PHP to store, retrieve, and manage the information like product names, quantities, and prices. phpMyAdmin. This is a web-based tool included in SAMP that helps us easily manage the MySQL database using a simple graphical interface. It's where we create the inventory underscore DB database and the products table. Some makes it easy to simulate a real web server environment. So we can build and test the inventory system entirely on our local machine.
User interface index.php. The user interacts with the system through index.php. It contains a form where users can enter product, details, name, quantity, and price and submit it. The, the page also includes links or buttons to view, edit, or delete existing products. Adding a product, add underscore product.php. When the user submits the form, the data is sent to the add underscore product.php. This script connects to the database and uses an SQL insert command to store the new product in the products table. Once added, the user is redirected back to the main page.
Viewing products. View underscore products.php. All saved products are retrieved and displayed using view underscore products.php. This file runs an SQL select query to get all the records from the products table and presents them in an HTML table format. Each row includes option to update or delete the product. Updating products. Update underscore product.php. If a user clicks on the edit button, they are directed to update underscore product.php with the product's ID. The script loads the existing data, display it in a form, and allows the user to change the value. After submission, it runs an update query to modify the record in the database.
Deleting products. Delete products.php. To remove a product, the user clicks the delete button. The delete underscore product.php file receives the product ID and executes an SQL delete command. This permanently removes the product from the product table. Running the system. To use the system, we go to the browser and type http localhost inventory underscore system / index.php. From there, we can add new products, view all products, edit details of any product, delete unwanted products. All changes are reflected in real time as they directly interact with MySQL database. Summary and conclusion. This inventory system demonstrates basic CRUD functionality or CRUD functionality. C for create or adding products. R for read or viewing products. U for update or modifying products. And D for delete removing products. It's a practical example of using PHP and MySQL for data management. With further improvements like validation, search, and login, it can be turned into a full-featured application. Thanks for watching.